What's up, Jaycationers? We're here in my hometown, San Diego, California, and today we're in a place that I've actually never been to before. We are in Imperial Beach, California, and we have my guest, Rio Grande, to show me around.
Hey y'all, I am Rio, and I'm here today to show Jay around the beautiful Imperial Beach. I live just 10 minutes away from here, so it's somewhere that I know really well. So we're gonna go check out a couple of spots and stay with us to see where we go.
What's up, Jaycationers? I'm your host, JJ Manicus, and today we are here in the beautiful Imperial Beach in San Diego, California, and I'm here with guest host, Rio Grande.
What's up, guys?
Alright, Jaycationers, so this is just the beginning. Subscribe to our channels, Jaycation and the 20-something Traveler. We're going to be doing a whole series of San Diego videos telling you the local guide of where to go, what to see, and what to do. You are a local here.
I grew up here for the last 27 years. Imperial Beach is my go-to beach. It is basically home for me. It's somewhere where
I've never been, actually, guys. This is
so
weird.
Jay's never been here before, and that was one of the reasons why I wanted to bring him down here, since we're starting this series on places to see in San Diego, and we really want to show locals and tourists
more of the undiscovered side of San Diego, even though people may know about Imperial Beach. What's your favorite places here?
I really love the farmers market that happens on Fridays, and then there's a bunch of cool restaurants over here. A Hess just opened up, so we're gonna go check that out after this. And then honestly, I just love walking down the beach. It goes for miles, and you can just like run forever. And
nice. I'm from north side San Diego, and I've never been here, so.
And it's beautiful.
Yeah.
You've got the surfers and not so many tourists. It's not overcrowded. There's tons of parking. It's just, yeah.
Yeah, so let's go and check it out, guys. We definitely suggest going up and down the Imperial Beach Pier to people watch. Check out the surfers and the fishermen. So right behind me is the famous Imperial Beach sign. It's called Surfhenge, and it's very reminiscent to the Gold Coast Surfers Paradise in Australia. So it gives me a little vibe of being in the Gold Coast and Surfers Paradise. So a little bit of history for you. In 1887, Imperial Beach became a city. It was part of Imperial County, which is known for the desert side of San Diego, but Imperial Beach is obviously the beach side that goes all the way to the Pacific.
So this is the Tijuana Estuary, and it's somewhere that I love because I don't think you have like any big wide open spaces like this like anywhere near the beach in San Diego. So it's really unique. You can like see Mexico way down over there, and there's also these paths, these trails that you can take over here and like walk your dog or something, and you can also walk along the beach that way and get like really close to Mexico. It's really cool and beautiful, and I love it here.
Alright guys, so we're here at the Tijuana River Estuary Visitor Center. If you are into hiking and you want to take a nice little hike around the naturey spots of this part of California, there's this hike called the Wild Side Hike where you go from the IB Pier all the way to the trails of this estuary that'll lead you almost to the border.
And they're open until 5, and there's also free parking, which is awesome. Check it out, it's also a really cool looking building.
Even the electrical boxes are painted with murals of naturey animals and cool wildlife. You'll also want to check out all the cool art sculptures and murals scattered around this beautiful, quaint beach town.
So right now it looks squiggly, but if you walk this way, it starts to form into the word art. It's just one of the cool art pieces that is out here in Imperial Beach, and I love seeing it when I'm driving past.
The city of Imperial Beach is surrounded by 3 bodies of water. One from the north, which is the San Diego Bay. Obviously the west is the Pacific Ocean. And then from the south is the Tijuana River Valley. So there are miles and miles of white sands beach in this part of California. Imperial Beach is usually where it's open to the public. If you go towards the Silver Strand State Beach, which is going towards Coronado on the 75, there's parts of those beaches that are closed only for the military. After Imperial Beach, you got the estuary and the Tijuana River Valley. That part isn't really beach that you can access. So make sure you're following the signs and obeying the signs, and make sure you're near lifeguard towers, because sometimes lifeguards aren't around, like right now, there's no lifeguards around. So just make sure you're being safe, and you know when the high tide and the low tide and the currents are coming in, because we don't want you to get in any type of trouble.
Right behind me is IB Forum, the most southwesterly bar in the United States. Crazy. There's a dude wearing a kilt over there.
See, people think Ocean Beach is weird. Come to Imperial Beach. So we're walking down into Imperial Beach, and we're walking right to these like Gaudi-esque looking structures. It looks like a turtle and like a cactus. Look at this. Barcelona in San Diego.
Like you and I are. So this is one of the 2 hotels that you can find in Imperial Beach. They're making a 3rd one apparently so that they can cater to more tourists. And then on the other side of the hotel inside, there is C180 Coastal Tavern, and there's a really nice view of the ocean. You can have a really nice dinner there. Super pretty.
Another note to C180, I think it's owned by the Cohen Group of restaurants, which owns a bunch of great restaurants around San Diego. So they know what they're doing because they're all over town and they have the most scenic views.
Walking into C180 Coastal Tavern.
Other than the bigger breweries like Coronado Brewing and Mike Hess, there's also places like the Wave Cafe and Seacoast Pizza that are more like local little quick spots that you want to go and check out for coffee or for pizza.
You'll also find a Brigantine restaurant location here, along with this cool Adventure Time mural, and on occasion, there are events like the Ironman race that come to town.
I grew up here, so imagine like 3-year-old Rio playing on those. My heaven as a little kid.
The nostalgia of this place. Check this out. These are like really cool, unique benches. They're like surf benches.
So this ice cream shop, Cowabunga, and Sound of Beach Surf Shop have been here seriously since I was a little kid, like for years. So support local business.
Vio's right, support local business. Speaking of supporting local business, back in March of 2019, Mike Hess Brewing opened a location here in Imperial Beach. Along with a location of city tacos on the property and an awesome outdoor patio that is dog friendly, Mike Hess is an ideal place to have a few beers and hang out with friends. Along with their awesome staff, this location has it all. Now comes my favorite part of doing this video, which is reviewing all of these beers on this beautiful flight that looks like a surfboard.
Yep, that's right, we're in beer heaven. We're in Mike Hess Brewing. There's 4 locations around San Diego. We're at the one here in Imperial Beach trying out their flights. So there's some really cool music going on right now. So we're gonna start from light to dark.
For more information on these tasty beers, visit mikehessbrewing.com. Now we're gonna start from light to dark just to get our palate ready and get the maximum taste out of these beers.
So we're gonna start off with the Steel Beach beer. It's the lightest of the flight, and it's a nice sunny day, so when you're like kind of dehydrated and you just want to have something nice and crisp, this is the beer to have. Oh, it's amazing. Hey Rio, what are you drinking?
Steel Beach!
Next up is the classic Mike Hess Brewing drink. This is one of the first Mike Hess drinks I've had, and it's called the Solace. Try the Solace.
Yeah, oh, that's super good.
It's one of my favorites in Mike Hess.
How's the cookies and cream one?
We're gonna work our way.
Oh, okay.
Patience.
Slow.
Patience, Paduan. Next up is the Hop Cloud, which is a hazy, and you know hazies are my favorite beers.
I know. How is it?
Oh yeah, this has more of a fruity feel to it. Oh yeah, I love the hazies. This is great. It's got that piney taste to it, right? Next up is their seasonal special. You can get them in steins. We're shooting this in like the middle of September. Oktoberfest has just begun, so we're gonna try this out.
Right around the corner.
I was really looking forward to it.
It has that taste. It has that lager taste, almost like a Polliner type of Oktoberfest beer.
Yeah, it's really good. I think I like that one the most.
It's actually called the Oktober Hess, guys. Get
Smart
it?
marketing.
Oktober Hess. And last on our flight is the cookies and cream Umbrix. Now they have a normal Umbrix, but they have a little sweeter taste to it, putting the cookies and cream with it. So this is the Umbrix. Oh yeah, that's a real stout right there. It's a little sweeter than the normal Umbrix, but yeah, you definitely have the cookies and cream taste to it.
Yeah.
And this beer is almost 11%, guys. So it's, be careful when you're drinking this. Don't drink a stein of that.
The beer is amazing.
What's your favorite one?
I like this new wheat one, but I also like Into the Sunset. Very refreshing.
All right, so Rio and I just had a nice taste test with the flights.
Yeah, which one was your favorite?
I would go with the Oktober Hess because it's
Me
that
too.
time of year.
Yeah.
And I'd also go with the Hop Cloud because I'm all about them hazy IPAs.
I like the light beer, so Steel Beach for me.
Ziggy, 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 oi, oi, oi.
Hey, ticke, zacke, hoi, hoi, hoi. Und dann trinken wir's aus.
I would say the Marzen is the best one on tap right now, and then the Hop Cloud Hazy is always a good go-to for sure.
What do you think about Imperial Beach?
It's fantastic. I think it has a bad rap because of like past time. It's more Huntington Beach than most people give it out to be for sure.
And now it's taco time. With 3 locations around San Diego and 3 more coming soon, City Tacos SD is quickly gaining popularity.
All right, Jaycationers, so we're gonna try their sausage because it's Oktoberfest time. So their bratwurst, I was talking to Javier over here and he said that the bratwurst was fantastic.
The mahi taco is bomb. Yeah, it has all the trimmings on there. Cheers to a killer Oktoberfest.
And great tacos. Oh, the tacos are amazing. My favorite is the fish, and then second is the carnitas.
City Tacos also paired up with Mike Hess over here in Imperial Beach. Their fish tacos are fantastic, their shrimp tacos, and we also got like an ahi type of taco. Shout out to Will. Will's been helping us out today. Let's check out Fearless Few Productions, Will's production company.
I got a fish taco. I'm really excited. I love fish tacos. So our friend Danielle over here said they were really good, so I'm about to try it. Freaking good.
Shrimp, carne asada, avocados, best of both worlds, my friend. Delicious.
Take a bite.
And my mom did.
Yes, exactly.
This is the pollo asado taco. Oh yeah. The hot sauce? Oh man. I got the chipotle sauce too. Let's try that out. I just made a mess. So we're trying out the bratwurst sausages. They got the Dijon mustard up in here. Yo, this is bomb. This brings me back to Germany, yo. It brings me back. That is some sausage right there.
I actually got a kombucha. I'm a sucker for kombucha and alcohol, so put them together. Kombucha.
Getting kicked out, it's like an Irish sauce.
This is the Polish sausage. Shame on Costco for not having Polish sausages at the deli anymore. Oh yeah. This Dijon sauce is fantastic, but this like cheesy chipotle sauce is also just as good. Amazing.
Mike Hess also offers dog-friendly treats.
These are our beer bites for our four-legged friends. We offer them at Mike Hess in Imperial Beach. Basically, it is a beer mash peanut butter mixture, and they're safe for dogs and humans.
So we're gonna try the best city taco, the taco of the month that the owner told us to check out. So
It's basically like a take on a chile relleno, but as a taco.
there it is right there. And it's still warm even after like a few minutes of it sitting out. Wow.
Good?
I don't know how to describe it. It's like, this is a fantastic taco, guys.
Yeah.
So this is their taco of the month, the chile nogado. It's fantastic. Gotta finish this beer off.
It was time for me to polish off my Hop Cloud Hazy IPA and call it an evening.
Zach, thank you very much for having us, man. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely, thank you. We're excited for you guys to come back.
Awesome, and you said something about this chip.
Yeah, so you're gonna take this chip to the bar, and then you're gonna get a pint glass. That glass is yours to keep, but if you bring it back in Monday through Thursday, it's only $5 fill-ups of any of our beer. So it's like our happy hour.
Well, Zach, thanks a lot, man.
Cheers, brother.
Appreciate it.
Right on, man. There you are.
Thanks, man.
Of course.
Thanks for that. Hey, have a good one, man.
Awesome, man. You too. Thanks for coming out.
Such a friendly and caring staff. Thanks, guys. Just steps away from Mike Hess is this beautiful San Diego Imperial Beach sunset. But before we enjoy this sunset, let me take you to my favorite French fries joint. One last thing I wanted to show you guys in IB is Rally's. Rally's is a burger joint, but it's got the best fries in San Diego. Quote me on that. Alright guys, $3.76. We got the fries and the chicken nuggets here at Rally's. Now I swear to you, these Rally's fries are the best fries here in San Diego. Just as I remembered it. It comes with Frank's red hot sauce. The best, guys. Alright, back to that amazing San Diego sunset I promised you. Alright Rio, so there are a few ways to get here.
So you can come here through Coronado, or you can come down Palm Avenue from the 805 freeway, or Coronado Avenue from the 805 freeway, and you can hit Imperial Beach.
Yeah, 805, 515, they all merge at some point.
Yeah, so the reason why I like Imperial Beach is it feels like it's a locals only type of place. Tourists are starting to come out here, but it's still really laid back and chill, and the community is just so diverse. Like as you probably saw at Mike Hess, just so many different types of people. There's a big Latinx community here, so gotta pay homage to them.
Yes.
And I mean, obviously we just had really good tacos. Jerry Torres, who owns City Tacos, hooked us up with some of the best tacos. So.
Really great tacos.
Yeah, it's just good vibes here, always has been, and now we get to share it with all y'all.
Yeah, and shout out to Red and Zach with Mike Hess.
Yeah, Red and Zach, y'all are awesome.
Thank you very much. We had some great beers.
service.
Their hazy's awesome.
Yeah.
I'll make sure to bring my glass back Monday to Thursday and get a Mike Hess fill up. The servers, they're just all locals. Even Red, she was saying she's from IB.
Yeah, she's like, her mom grew up here, she grew up here, like just generations of local people.
So yeah, that's what you're gonna get when you visit Imperial Beach. A bunch of locals treating you right. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you Rio for showing me around IB.
Thanks for coming all the way down here, seriously. It's my pleasure.
Please subscribe to our channels. You are?
I am the 20-something traveler on YouTube and on Facebook, and my Instagram is Rio Grande with 2 A's, RIOGRAANDE.
And I am Jaycation on YouTube and Jaycation TV on Instagram. Please subscribe. We got really great content coming up here in San Diego. I hope you guys enjoy our San Diego series. It's coming from 2 locals, so you guys are gonna know that it's the best of the best. All right guys, we'll see you next time. If you have any questions, comment below. Later.
Recording that. Oh, keeping it. What? Okay, focus. You're recording.
Yeah?
Got all of that.